Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix Bluetooth connected but no sound problem. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So what you need to do is, first of all, let's go to the Bluetooth section, and when you go to the Bluetooth settings, make sure your Bluetooth is connected with your device. And once it has been connected, what you need to make sure is that your device needs to have enough charge. Like if you're connecting an AirPod, if you're connecting a speaker, if you're connecting any kind of device, you need to make sure that device has Bluetooth connection working properly and it has enough charge, because even when you are connected, if your charge is not enough, it will keep on disconnecting in between, and that's how you will not get the sound. First thing that you need to check. Next thing you check is whether you need to first disconnect and then try to reconnect it, and that should also help you out on getting the connection in sound. And if you're in a call, when you are in a call while having a Bluetooth device connected, make sure that you switch to Bluetooth device. Sometimes when you're in a call, your speaker is on your mobile phone only, so when you're speaking and then you cannot hear any sound on your AirPods, that's because you have not switched the speaker for that particular call. So that could be the reason. So once you switch it, it should be fine, and that's it. So I hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.